First, let us try to understand how to remove the element in the beginning. That is, how to remove the head node or head vertex of the linked list. So, this case. So let me pause the animation so that I can easily control it. So let me go back to the first step. And so now, first is if the list is empty, then do nothing. This is a check, just to check if the list is empty or not. If there is no node in the list, then you do not need to do anything. Now, otherwise, what you have to do is first have a temporary object of type vertex and store the head node inside that temporary vertex. So both head and temp are pointing to the first node. That is, temp is pointing, or rather say temp is pointing to the head node also. Next is what? You have to delete the node. That means what you just need to do is you just have to move the head from the current head to the next node. So that means just this. So head is pointing to next, so head have been moved to the next node, and now what you have to do, just delete the first node, the previous first node, that is the temp. So here basically one thing you may ask, that why do I need to save this head node inside a temporary variable or temporary object? What is the meaning of it? I can just do head equals head dot next and it will look like the node is already eliminated. So it will automatically start from the second node. Well, in some of the programming language, for example C++, the memory management needs to be taken care of by the developer himself or herself. So it is not automated. So you have to manually delete the node that you want to delete. And if you just lose the head pointer just by doing head equals head dot next, that is, just move the head pointer and lose the track of the first node, then you cannot delete the node. And that can give you a tremendous problem. That is, that node will stay forever in the memory by occupying some space. And if you are doing with a lots of linked list or lots of things, at some point of time your memory limit will exceed and your computer may crash. So that is why first store the head node inside another temporary pointer, then do just move the current head node to the next node, and then delete the previous head node, and that's it, done.